Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Moomoo to TradingView. So first step is to create a Moomoo account. If you don't have one, just sign up on Moomoo's official website and then open a margin account. So in TradingView, they currently supports only Moomoo margin accounts. So ensure your account is a margin account by maintaining a minimum balance of $2,000. And if you have a cash account, you just have to contact Moomoo support to discuss upgrading to a margin account. So now you have to visit TradingView's website and log in with your credentials. On the TradingView, open a chart and click on the trading panel at the bottom of the page, which is this one. And then in the trading panel, just find and click on the Moomoo icon. So since my account in TradingView is not a margin account, it doesn't show a Moomoo icon right here. But if your account is a margin account, then it probably will show up, or it definitely will show up to yours. And then you just have to click on that and a prompt will appear for you to enter your Moomoo account credentials. And then just provide the necessary information to authorize the connection. And then once connected, you can trade directly through the TradingView using your Moomoo account. And please note that deposits and withdrawals must still be handled through the Moomoo platform or mobile application. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!